Microsoft 365 versus Dynamics 365, choosing the right business software can completely change how you manage operations and productivity without confusion. Microsoft 365 focuses on collaboration and productivity, while Dynamics 365 centers on business processes and customer management. Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 are both Microsoft business solutions but serve distinct purposes. Microsoft 365 offers productivity tools like email, document editing, and collaboration. Dynamics 365 provides enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management to streamline business operations and decision-making. Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based productivity suite that includes familiar apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It works by integrating these applications with cloud storage and collaboration tools, enabling teams to communicate and work simultaneously from anywhere. Its strengths lie in enhancing everyday productivity, seamless file sharing, and real-time collaboration across devices. Microsoft 365 also offers security features and regular updates managed by Microsoft, reducing IT overhead. However, it is primarily designed for general productivity and communication, so it lacks specialized tools for managing complex business processes or customer data. Ideal users are organizations and individuals seeking efficient communication, document creation, and team collaboration without needing deep operational management. It supports businesses of all sizes that prioritize flexible work environments and office productivity. Dynamics 365 is a cloud-based suite focused on enterprise resource planning, ERP, and customer relationship management, CRM. It works by connecting different business functions like sales, finance, supply chain, and customer service into one platform. Its strengths include advanced data analytics, automation of business processes, and customizable modules tailored to specific industries. Dynamics 365 helps businesses gain insights into customer behavior, optimize operations, and improve decision-making with integrated AI capabilities. On the downside, it requires more setup and training compared to Microsoft 365, and its complexity may be overwhelming for smaller businesses or teams without dedicated IT resources. The ideal user is medium to large enterprises that need to unify their operational data and customer interactions under one system. Dynamics 365 is best suited for organizations looking to drive growth through data-driven strategies and streamline their entire business lifecycle. Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 complement each other but serve different business needs. For example, a marketing team might use Microsoft 365 for creating campaigns, collaborating on documents, and managing emails efficiently. Meanwhile, the sales department would rely on Dynamics 365 to track leads, manage customer relationships, and forecast revenue. Microsoft 365 excels in everyday productivity and communication, with a user-friendly interface and quick deployment. Dynamics 365 offers deeper insights and operational control, but requires more time to implement and learn. Small businesses focused on collaboration and office tasks benefit from Microsoft 365, while larger companies with complex workflows and customer data management needs gain more from Dynamics 365. Choosing between them depends on whether your priority is general productivity or comprehensive business management. Microsoft 365 is recommended for businesses and teams prioritizing seamless collaboration, communication, and productivity tools with minimal setup and broad accessibility. Dynamics 365 suits organizations needing integrated business operations and customer management with advanced analytics. For comprehensive control over sales, finance, and service, it's the smarter choice. Both platforms work best together to cover productivity and enterprise needs effectively.